You just downloaded the latest Valorant patch brimming with excitement for new content, agent changes for a fresh battle pass only to be met with that familiar, soul-crushing moment the game simply refuses to launch, that frustrating feeling of clicking the icon repeatedly only to stare at your desktop, or worse, get an error message you don't understand is enough to make anyone want to rage quit for good. We've all been there, staring blankly at our screens, wondering if our just hates us. But before you throw your keyboard across the room or contemplate a full system-wide, take a deep breath. Most of these post-patch launch issues are surprisingly common and thankfully have pretty straightforward solutions. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps that will get you back into the action so you can stop staring at your desktop and start clutching those rounds. Kicking things off with the absolute basics, because sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. First, just try restarting your entire. It often clears up temporary glitches that can prevent games from launching. After that, make sure you're running Valorant and the Riot client as an administrator. Right-click the shortcut, select Run as Administrator and give it permission. This can resolve permission conflicts that pop up after an update. Next up, we need to make sure your game files themselves aren't corrupted or incomplete after the patch download. Open the Riot client, head to Valorant, click the gear icon and select Repair or Verify Game Files. This process will check for and replace any broken files. If that doesn't work, consider reinstalling Riot Vanguard, the anti-cheat, as it's often a silent culprit. You can do this through add or remove programs in Windows. Outdated graphics drivers are a super common cause for games not launching or crashing, especially after a big update. Head over to your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, or Intel, and download the very latest drivers for your specific card. A clean installation is always best to avoid conflicts. Keeping your drivers up to date is crucial for game stability and performance, so this step is a must-do. Finally, sometimes other software running on your or even your security tools can interfere with Valorant. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall just before launching the game, but remember to re-enable them afterward. Also, close any unnecessary background applications and overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, or anything else that might be hooking into the game. A clean slate gives Valorant the best chance to launch smoothly.